Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. And for today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix App Store billing problem. To fix App Store billing problem, you could follow the steps. The first thing first, you could always go ahead and check your internet connection. Sometimes the issue might be your internet as well. So you could go ahead and open up your settings and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. Now here what you could do is you could actually try restarting the connection or connect with a better one that should be able to fix it soon. However, if the issue persists on, you could also try changing your payment method. Now to do it so, you want to go ahead and click on the Apple ID from the top of the page. And next you want to go ahead and click on View Apple ID. After that, you want to go to the payment info section, and here you want to make sure to change the payment method to the other one, or if for a couple of seconds or for a minute, you could just simply tap on the None button. And once again, you want to go ahead and click or just go ahead and add it, and that should be able to fix the issue as well. Despite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you could actually go ahead and contact the credit card issuer or maybe contact the Apple support, and they will be able to help you out in order to fix the issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.